guys, in this video we'll learn how to solve WhatsApp document photo not showing in gallery problem. For that, just head to WhatsApp and click on the three vertical dots option in the top right corner and click on the settings. Under settings, there are a lot of options such as account, privacy, lists, chats, broadcast. Click on chats. After you click on chats, you'll see chat setting where there are two options. Enter is sent and there is media visibility. And as you can see under it, it is written that show newly downloaded media in your device gallery. So as you can see, as the button is turned off, that is the reason why the photos or any other medias are not showing in the gallery. So you need to make sure that this button is turned on. Now you can head back and all of the media files will be loaded in your gallery. Also, what you can do is click on WhatsApp and go to its app settings, click on permissions, go to photos and videos and tap on always allow all option. This should solve this problem easily. Thank you for watching.